Michael Murray here at the Fintech Awards with Kyle Braden, the Director of Marketing at iShares. Great to have you here, man.
Oh, thanks for having us.
It's an absolute pleasure to have all of you guys involved. And, of course, we're excited to have iShares as a part of the event. So kick us off a little bit. Tell us about iShares and what you guys do.
Yeah, iShares. So BlackRock, we're an asset manager, and we come to it from the product angle. We bring that low-cost diversification and broad product set that we basically created over 1,200 ETFs out there available on multiple continents, in multiple countries, multiple exchanges. And ultimately, our goal and our mission is to help more and more people experience financial well-being, and getting to network at an event like this at Benzinga with direct platforms or folks that directly serve the self-directing investing community is what we're all about.
Absolutely. Now, kind of a basic question, but for the investors out there that don't really have familiarity with ETFs and the investing advantages there, can you kind of break those down and why they're such a useful tool?
Yeah, absolutely. So ETFs stands for Exchange Traded Fund, and it's a low-cost, diversified, tax-efficient way to allocate capital. We have a broad range of asset classes, everything from index-based ETFs to more actively managed strategies.
Excellent. Now, let's take a look ahead to 2023 really quickly, right? Looking ahead to next year, do you guys see any challenges or obstacles with the recession, the global fears, and the economic uncertainty that we're seeing? How do you guys plan to hedge that, or how do you plan to approach next year?
Yeah, so 2022 has certainly presented a number of economic and market headwinds here. And so what that's forcing our teams to do is do more with less, right? Become more nimble, become more scrappy. And really focus on the initiatives that are driving the most impact to our business and making an impact in the self-directed investing community.
Excellent. Now, for investors getting involved with BlackRock and iShares, what can they expect out of that client experience, investing with you guys? What does that look like in terms of how they're going to be treated and what they're going to get out of that relationship?
Yeah, so we're going bigger and bolder with the retail investor and the direct investing platform community here. It's interesting, and I talked about this earlier in our panel, is that in the last 2 years, 40 million new self-directed investment accounts have been opened up globally. 30 million of those here in the United States. And so there's a level of empowerment that certainly exists for a self-directed investor out there. We're going to go bigger and bolder, and we're going to provide more innovative products and more technologies to help these investors succeed.
Outstanding. Kyle Braden, Director of Marketing at iShares. Absolute pleasure having you on the panel today, getting those insights. Thank you so much for joining the event.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.